going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have another new project on the bench, and this is the Tamiya R34 GTR Nismo edition. So very cool kit, and especially by Tamiya GTRs, it just doesn't get any better than this. So let's go ahead and show you what the heck we're doing to this kit. So as you see right here in front of you guys, we got parts laid out, and it's almost, not quite, but almost ready for paint. But as you see, the body just looks fantastic. So, I did do an unboxing Monday on this, which you probably saw yesterday. But there are differences. There's basically two kits of this same kit. So I'm going to show you what the heck is the difference. But the body, as usual by Tamiya standard, is just fantastic. The spoiler to the bumpers, I mean, jeez, this thing is just amazing. So, it's just very cool. So, and everything else is, you know, typical Tamiya fashion. All GTR kits are basically the same, chassis is the same, and there's not really much difference between all GTR kits. The dashboard, same on pretty much all, you know, kits. So, and only different from this kit is, well, the body, and all the black parts you see over here is an add-on just for the Nismo version for this kit particular. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the heck we're doing, but first I'm gonna show you what body color I'm gonna do on this before I show you differences between each kit. We're gonna go with, because I do want to do two GTRs. I do want to do this one, the Nismo version, and I do want to do the regular version of this car, the regular R34 GTR. So I'm going to do the same color, like, you know, like I did to the Mustangs. I did them same color, have them set next to each other. Well, I'm gonna do the same thing with GTRs, and they're gonna be splash paints, jade green. This green is so cool. They're very, I don't know. This green is like a faded dark green. It's like almost like a military green. It's not quite, but it's a cool green. So I always dig these GTRs, and these in this green or blue, that light blue or the midnight purple. But I was thinking midnight purple, but I was like, well, I just did midnight purple, you know, poetry, so I don't think I want to do that one. But I got this kit, I got this color from Splash Paints, the actual GTR color. So this is just gonna look fantastic. Jade green, very cool color. So that is gonna be both of them. So let's go ahead and show you what the heck is the difference from each kit. So the major difference from each kit is the body. Tamiya, they had to mold a whole new body just for the Nismo version, because, well, they molded the back bumper on, so it's different. And I think the one major reason why they had to mold a whole new body is, well, yeah, this little piece right here that sticks out. So as you see, it's a little fin, whatever you want to call that. So that's pretty cool. So, and obviously the new hood. So if Tamiya did the hood separate, that wouldn't really probably matter that much, because it would be difficult to do that. So I think for this reason right here is why they made a whole new mold, whole new body for this kit. Because on the original R34 kit by Tamiya, the back bumper is separate, the front bumper is separate, and, well, the back bumper on this one is molded and the front bumper is not. So yeah, you know, glue this one on. But the hood is all molded in, and the side skirts is all molded in, because on the original version the side skirts are separate. So that's one major difference. And as you see in the black parts here, this is all different for this kit. So for this Nismo version, the brakes are upgraded. These are the Bumbo brakes, upgraded brakes. You get the big front fat ones, and you get the skinny, you know, smaller back brakes. So that's pretty neat. You do get a couple add-ons here. I'm not sure what these are particular at this moment, but I'll probably soon find out. You do get an upgraded steering wheel. That's pretty neat. And the exhaust is upgraded. You do have a single exhaust tip, other than a dual, like a dual exhaust tip, what the original version has. And you do get the upgraded Nismo version wheels, and these are 1 inch, I believe they're 1 inch bigger than the original ones. So, but yeah, that's pretty neat. So everything in black here is pretty much all add-on. So, and to me, they didn't really feel like, you know, making a whole new trees for each kit because that's about work. So to me, they just threw the same trees. They're the same exact trees for both kits. So I'm going to show you what is on add on to this kit. So you do get the original R34 rear bumper. Like I mentioned, the rear bumper is molded separate on the original version. And then you get the original R34 front bumper. So that's pretty neat, and you can tell a huge difference between the two. So and this one is actually in the bag with the body, as you saw on my Unbox Monday. So, and these ones are on a tree. So, and on the other one, you do get separate side skirts, like I mentioned, and you do get those in this kit also. And there they are. And on this one, they are molded on the side skirts. So there we go. You get two of them. You do get the original steering wheel. That's pretty neat. And you do get the original, non-bumble brakes. They're just they're regular, factory Nissan brakes. You get the back ones, and you do get the front ones. Actually, front ones and back ones. So, and you tell by the huge difference between the brakes. So here's the back brake, and here's the back brake. So yeah, a lot bigger brakes. So that's pretty neat for the Nismo version. And here's the stock exhaust. So like instead of a dual exhaust tip on the Nismo version, you do get a rear single exhaust. So that's pretty neat. And then, well, you do got the original R34 wheels. Like I mentioned, they are 1 inch smaller than the Nismo runs. So here I'll prove, because here's the tires. Tires fit on there. Beautiful. But on this one, it's not fit. You can see what garbage there. So they're like 1 inch, probably less than 1 inch. Probably a half inch smaller, but that's pretty neat. So to me, like I mentioned, they didn't really care. They just, each kit is shared all with the same trees. So the Nismo version is basically the same kit as the original R34 kit by Tamiya, but obviously different body, and the trees are all the same. But the add-on tree is gonna be the black tree. There we go, get on tangled, and this is the add-on tree from this kit. So that's pretty neat. And another add-on is, well, you do get metal transfers. That's pretty neat. I like that. Not all Tamiya kits have that, and you do get the Nismo version decal sheet with the Nismo license plates and stuff. So that's pretty much about it. I mean, it's such a cool car. I built the original Nismo version, or not Nismo, R34 kit a long time ago. I think before I started a YouTube channel, but I don't have it anymore because, well, it's by my closet. It's just, my old build, and it didn't turn out as good. So I do want to get another one and put these ones next to each other with the same paint scheme. So that would be pretty neat. But that's pretty much about it. Like I said, very cool kit. If you never bought a GTR kit from Tamiya, I'm gonna tell you right now, pick yourself up a GTR kit from Tamiya. Doesn't matter if it's an old GTR or a newer one, doesn't matter. I mean, these kits are just so cool. A lot of these GTR, like older ones, they share, I mean, Tamiya has multiple GTR kits, but they basically share a lot of parts, like the rear end, the chassis is pretty much all the same on all kits. I mean, this is, all the same. Only thing different is obviously the body and bumpers and stuff, and different spoilers, but this is actually the same exact spoiler as the regular R34 car, so that has not changed. But that's pretty neat. But other than that, that will be it for this video. Hopefully by the time, well, I'm pretty sure next update video it'll be in body color. I'm not sure when that will be, but I do want to get into the cancer awareness build, but I gotta find a kit, and I'm gonna find the cancer I want to do. But until that video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.